Hi guys, today I want to tell you how to write JUnit test cases in Eclipse IDE. Let us see here. Yeah, this is Eclipse IDE. First you have to create project here. New Java project. Give the name of the project here. Sample. Then click on finish. See this. This is the example. Then you have to create one package. Give the name of the package here. For example, JUnit package. Then click on finish. And again right click on this package. Then class. Give the class name here. For example, simple Java. Then click on finish. It will create the Java class here without any method. Here you have to write methods. Public, then add data type. I'm taking integer here. My method name is addition. See this. I want two values to pass here. Int a comma int b. See this. I want to create another variable for storing this addition value. Then return this value. Yeah, this addition source class is over, and I want to do another method. Public. Now I want string. Concat. String 1 comma string 2. Now take another string concat equal to 1 plus 2. See this. Then return this string. Yeah, this is also over. Now source class is over completely. Then click on package, right click here and new JUnit test case and give name of the test case. For example, simple JUnit. Yeah, click on finish. Now see here. Then if you want to test any test case, first you have to write annotation here like @test. Then give the name of the method. Public void. Why we write void here means it doesn't return anything. Public, then first test. Yeah, see here, you have to create object for this source class. Means simple java space obj equal to new simple java. Then you have to pass values. See here, this is the method for comparing two values, the expected value and returning value. Here is the expected value comma return value, whatever written from source class. Now we have to pass. See here, int result. Result will come into this result variable. Now obj dot return that method. See here, addition, right? Yeah, addition of a and b. I have to give value, for example 5, and b value is 6. Now we know these addition of these two values, right? 5 plus 6 means which is 11. We have to pass 11 here and pass this result here. See, asset equals, it is showing it want to import some. See, testing import test. Yeah, now import asset method. Control S. Now run it once. Right click, run as JUnit. Yeah, see this, it's successfully executing. For suppose if you give any wrong value here, try check it once again. See, it shows asset error, means test case is not correct. Yeah, it is 11, right? Then we have another method, right? At the rate test public void second test. Now we have to create object again. New. Yeah, again it is returning string, right? See this, the second method is returning string here, so that we have to take string as a result also. String result is equal to obj dot method. See here, is there any method? Yeah, concat method. See, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means here what we have to pass, which is string, right? Yeah, for suppose if you give your name as like my name is Mark, and the second string is, if you give any surname Lapo, then yeah, then check for the result. Set equals, right? We have to pass two values, right? First value is expected value and second value is returning value, right? Yeah, see here, what is the expected value? Sukumar Pallapu. If it is concat, what is the value? Sukumar without space Pallapu. Then result. Yeah, then save this. This is a string, right? Yeah, now to run this. run as Junit. Just check here. Yeah, it is successful. Your code is 100% successful correctly. See this. The first test case is 100% and second test case is 100%.